Good morning, students. I hope you all are well. So, today we will start our session with enthusiasm. Our today's topic is singular and plural. In previous class, we have also learnt about singular and plural, and we have learnt about some rules of singular and plural. हमने सिंगुलर और प्लूरल के कुछ रूल्स भी देखे थे, बट सम रूल्स वॉज रिमेनिंग, सो टुडे वी विल कंटिन्यू विद रिमेनिंग रूल्स. जो रूल्स रिमेनिंग रह गए थे उन रूल्स के साथ हम आज का अपना क्लास कंटिन्यू करेंगे. सो if a singular noun ends with y and has a vowel before it, we add s. In previous class I have also explained you, if the word ends with y and it has consonants before, then we add ies to make its plural. Once again, when the word ends with y and it has consonants before, then we add ies after replacing y. Here is written, if the word ends with y and it has vowel before, then we add only s. अगर वर्ड के एंड में y है और उसके जस्ट बिफोर वॉवल है, देन वी ऐड s to make its plural. So let's see example. Boy, boy, boys. So look here, students. O, vowel o just before y, so we add here s to make its plural. Now let us see other example. Key, keys, key, keys. Okay, students, so if vowels are coming just before y, then we add s to make its plural. Are you clear? Okay, now if a noun ends in f or fe, we add ves in place of f or fe. If the word ends with f or fe, then how we make its plural? If the word ends with f or fe, then we add ves after replacing f और fe. हम f और fe को ves से रिप्लेस करके उसके प्लूरल फॉर्म बनाएंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वाइफ, वाइफ, wives. Look here, students. Wife. At the end, fe is here. So, what we have to do? We will replace fe to ves to make its plural. हमने fe को ves से रिप्लेस करके उसका प्लूरल फॉर्म बनाया. Let's see some other example. Knife, knives, leaf, leaves, leaf, leaves. So we also replace here f with ves to make its plural. Now some words ending in o, we add s. When the word ends with o, when the word ends with o, then we add s to make its plural. For example, photo, photo, photos. Okay, students, so here the last letter is o, so we add here s to make its plural. Now the next, irregular countable nouns do not form their plural in the usual way. So what is the meaning here, usual way? Usual way, it means we do not add s, es, and we do not replace ves, ies, etc., etc. F, irregular countable nouns. Countable nouns which we can count. Once again, countable nouns which we can count, जिसे हम count कर सकते हैं. So if irregular countable nouns are there, so we do not make its plural as usual way. For example, mouse, 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 mice. So what is the plural of mouse? It's mice. We do not add here s, es, and we do not replace with ves, ies to make its plural. So mouse, mice. Once again, if a singular noun ends with y and it has vowels before, then we add only s to make it plural. Now the second is, if a noun ends with f or fe, then we replace f or fe with ves. Some words, when the ending in o, then we add only yes, s. Irregular countable noun do not have a plural form as usual way. It means we do not add s, es, or we do not replace with ves or ies. For example, I gave here example mouse, mice. I hope students you must have understood these rules. Goodbye. Have a nice day.